guys! Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my very first vlog. If you're new here, hi, I'm Valina, and on this channel I share all things self-care related. I mainly share wellness and mindset books that I liked, as well as free PDFs to apply all these books. But today I've decided to do something a little different. I wanted to vlog today because I'm gonna be decorating for fall for the first time in my life. It's supposed to get a little bit chillier next week here in New York. So I thought that it would be a good idea to bring out the holiday decorations and start the holiday season. Usually I like to do that in the beginning of December for Christmas. Because where I come from, which is France, which explains the very strong French accent. We don't have Thanksgiving, and Halloween doesn't seem as big as it is here in America. But now that I live in the US, I thought that I would be celebrating Thanksgiving this year as well as Halloween. So I wanted to make our home super cozy and festive for the fall season, and I just wanted to bring you along with me. But first, I'm just gonna set the tone and light a few candles, play some background music, and brew myself a cup of coffee. I just wanted to stop by to quickly share this book with you. I've been loving it lately. It has inspired me so much to bring out candles whenever I can. So here are the decorations I got. Our place is not very big, so I just got a few pumpkins as well as those little acorns. I really like those. I also brought out our Christmas light because I thought that it might look nice by the window, but I still don't know if it would be too much, but we'll see. But yeah, I just got them from Amazon. It was very easy. Okay, it's been about an hour and I'm all done. I'm quite happy with the results. Let me just quickly show you. Hi guys, it is the next morning and I'm so grateful that I get to wake up to this view. I think that it's one of the positive sides of living in a very tall building in a very big city. Yesterday the Christmas light ended up not working, so I had to take them down. I don't know if you've ever experienced that, but with very old Christmas lights sometimes you have to attach some scotch tape to the string. It was very annoying, so I just took them down. But then the space felt a little bit empty, so I thought that I would just do some DIYs. I have an idea of what I want to do, but I still don't know if it will work yet, but we'll see. But first I'm just gonna do a little workout and then I'm gonna make myself a breakfast. So yeah, I just catch up with you later. Okay, now let's chat about the little DIYs that I wanted to make today. So the first one is basically like a little block sets using papers. I want to use the origami method to create little building blocks and then just write some gratitude words on them. I got this idea because I went to Bed Bath & Beyond last month and I saw these little wooden blocks and I really like them. And I also saw them on Amazon if you don't want to make them yourself. I think that it's very inspiring to see these words every morning, and yeah, I just like this kind of stuff. The second one is a little piece of wall art, if you can call that art actually. I just wanted to write some quotes on a big piece of paper and then hang it on the wall. I don't know if you remember from the pictures from yesterday. The wall is quite naked, as you can see, and we want to hang some art on it, but we still don't know what, and we haven't found one that we would like to commit to yet. So I thought that I would just create a very temporary one just for the holiday season. I saw this art online and I wanted one that I could reproduce easily because I saw like amazing art on Pinterest, but I won't be able to reproduce them, I think. Okay, so for the first project, it didn't turn out exactly like I imagined. I may have used a paper that was a little too thick. So as you can see, there are little holes. But then I got this brilliant idea to write down the words on a different piece of paper and just wrap the blocks. And I even found a ribbon to attach everything together. I really like how this turned out. What do you think? For the second project though, to be honest, I didn't really like the result. I thought that I could just use cardboard to create a frame, but I don't really like how this turned out. It was okay, but I think that it would look better in a real frame. But I still really enjoyed making this, and I'm still gonna hang it on the wall just for the holiday season. But let me know what you think, and if you have other DIY ideas. I would love to try them out sometimes. Hi guys, it's a little bit later, it's about 5 o'clock now, and my fiancé and I are about to head out to visit a place called the Little Island. If you are in the Manhattan area, it's basically just a little island park that has opened last month at the Hudson River. And I believe that there are free concerts over there, so if you're interested to check that out, be sure to register online because you need a ticket to get in. And then we're just gonna have dinner at a restaurant. I believe that we're going for Perriven tonight, but we're still not sure. I still don't know if I'm gonna film over there because there will probably be lots of people. But if I do, I will insert all the clips in the end of this video so that you can check out the parts for yourself. But I just wanted to quickly take a moment to thank you all for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys!